Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we made a test for our heavy-duty industry type rotary screener. This screener size, the rotary drum diameter is 1 meters. The length is 1.2 meters. This screener suitable for many different materials. For example, like the construction stone, small sand, and big stone. And also this screener suitable for biomass material. For example, like wood chips, groundnut shell, the straw materials. And this rotary drum we fit with 20 millimeters sieve. And we also can customize the different size sieve for our client. And this screener with 4 kilowatt electric motor, the capacity for the material is about 2 tons per hour. And over here, this is the operation panel. And here is a frequency device. And over here, you just start this drum working. And this speed control can adjust the speed of the drum. And over here, inside our screener, we also have vibration motors to push the materials out from the rotary screener. And this heavy-duty type is an American standard, good quality one. If you like a Longze industry type rotary screener, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. Trust Longze machine, trust Longze quality. Thank you. Bye-bye.